Okay, that was a very long drive. I stopped in Souk to quickly go pee, and I finally have arrived at Botanical Beach. I'm just walking the trail to get there, and you can see what I'm looking at. So it said it's 1.5 kilometers, and then we will get to the beach. Forest to get here, but as you can see, it's quite busy, so being here alone is completely fine. So I am back in the car on the way home. It's going to take me 2 hours to get back. It ended up taking me a good 3.5 hours to get here. I took the long scenic route, I guess, but it was really pretty and worth it, although I don't think I'll take that road again. It was very long and very slow moving, but yeah, excited to take a new way back. And oh my goodness, all the little yellow flowers along the road are incredible. I'm gonna stop in Port Renfrew on the way back and just kind of check it out, and then head on my 2-hour journey back.